Let's see what "what's up" means when Americans use it in daily speech. What's up is what is up, which means what is going on right now. What is happening right now? What is currently happening right now? What is new with you? Just like that, like they use it like, hey, what's up? That means, hey, tell me about your current state, your current situation. Like, tell them what you're doing at the time when you were asked that. And also, sometimes "what's up" is just a greeting, like "hey," "hello." To that, you don't have to say anything back. You can just say "hey" to "what's up." That's it.